Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly, we have to enter the dialer, actually your contact list, so you can do it the way you want. I will do it using the dialer, so let's enter the contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it simply. Tap on edit contact right here and choose this profile icon, let's say. And as you can see here, we've got two different options. We can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, so actually this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery. So obviously in my case I will pick to choose a photo from the gallery. Here you have to give all the permissions, and let's find the photo we'd like to use. And from this step we can adjust the size of this square and the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area inside the square is responsible for it. So if you are happy with the results, if you'd like to set it just like it, just tap on OK. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, and it is very important to remember about tapping on the stick icon. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our contact. What's more, it will be visible on the contact list, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.